Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you another card featuring a beautiful product you can earn free with your purchase during Sale-a-Bration, which is on now until February 28th. This is the Touch of Ink stamp set, and it's a level 2 reward, meaning you can earn it free with your $120 purchase. I'm also going to be using one of the water painters from the annual catalog. These painters come in a set of 3 different sizes, and you can use them to create amazing watercolored images or just create some simple stripes like I'm going to demonstrate today. So I've got a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches and a piece of white cardstock that measures 4 by 5.25. I'm going to start by stamping some images in my basic black ink. I'm going to use the hummingbird, the flower, the leaf, and this sentiment, thinking of you. And these are all from the Touch of Ink stamp set. So now to create some stripes, I'm going to be using this largest of the water painters. I've already filled it with water. You can see the water splooshing around in there. Now to get the water to wet the brush, I'm going to squeeze a little bit. See where it says push here? I'm going to squeeze a little bit and you'll see the water coming down and then starting to wet the bristles. Perfect, so now that's wet for us. I've got a little piece of paper towel that I'm just gonna rest it on. So what I'm going to do is I've got 4 ink refills here: Gorgeous Grape, Daffodil Delight, Flirty Flamingo, and Bermuda Bay. And I'm going to put a couple of drops of each refill onto a clear block and then use that for painting with. So I've already got my paintbrush bristles wet. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip into my Gorgeous Grape here. And if I want the color to be less intense, I can squeeze the brush to pull more water down into the bristles. And notice how I start my painting off the page. I can make that stripe as thin or as thick as I want. And when I'm done, I'm just going to dab it off here. And then I'm going to squeeze again to get more water to come out. And just keep doing that. Keep rinsing the brush with the water that's already inside of it until it's running clear. And then I'll move on to the next color. Now that I've finished painting this piece, it's going to take some time to dry. You could speed up the drying process with your heat embossing tool if you like. I just like to let it sit for a while and dry. So what I'm going to do is pull in this one that I've done earlier, which I've already let dry. It's completely dry now, and I'm just going to finish off the card with this. So what I want to do now is there's this really pretty little speckle stamp in the Touch of Ink stamp set, and I'm going to stamp some speckles in each of the ink colors here just to add a little bit more texture and fun. Now all I need to do is attach this to my card, and then I'm going to add some elegant faceted gems to embellish. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, Inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I'm offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inkyfingers Papercrafting, where you could join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!